the camera's lens is a bit dirty. Let's just wipe that. So before we go into the hair and makeup and how I got this look, I thought I'd show you what I'm wearing. This is my ultimate summer look if I'm not going to a pool or a beach or something like that. If I'm sitting in my garden, going to my mum's house, just chilling basically in the sun, because England is rarely sunny, but we've had a good run so far. So this is my look. So I'm just going to step back. So it's just a cute little two-piece in white. I would wear this to the beach, but with a bikini underneath and not knickers. I don't wear a bra with this, but I just love this. It's so comfy. The material is like cotton. It's from River Island. I don't think they have this still in stock, but I will link some alternatives down below. But this is literally my favourite summer outfit. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And yeah, let's get into the hair and makeup. To start, I'm going to prime my face using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This is the pink undertone. All products used in this video will be linked in the description bar below. For my foundation, I'm using the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. This is one of my favourite foundations for the summer, as it's lightweight. It's basically a BB cream, but it has full coverage. And I'm using the shade Natural 05. For concealer, I'm using the Rimmel Lasting Radiance Concealer in the shade 010 Ivory. To set my face, I'm using the Bare Minerals Original SPF 15 foundation in the shade Medium C25. So I wanted to do a cream contour today, so I'm using Dew the Hoola by Benefit in Soft Matte Liquid Bronzer for Face. It doesn't have a colour. For my bronzer, I'm using the PS Bronze Glow Matte Bronzing Powder. This is actually by Primark and it's really good and it's only £1, so I highly recommend if anyone's looking for a bronzer. I just put this on my temples, over my cheekbones, down my nose and under my double chin to make sure no one knows it's there. To give the bronzer a natural glow, I'm using MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralized Skin Finish Powder. To set the parts of my face that aren't bronzed, I'm using the Dior Skin Nude Air Loose Powder in the shade Medium Beige 030. For highlighter, I'm using the Iconic London Illuminator, the original one. For brows, I'm using the Revolution Pro Duo Brow Powder palette in soft brown. I always use a Zoeva eyeliner brush to fill in my brows. To set my brows, I'm using Pixie by Petra Brow Tamer in the shade Translucent. For blusher, I'm using the Sleek Makeup Cream to Powder Blush in the shade Amaryllis. This just helps to give that sun-kissed look. To prep my eyelids for the eyeshadow, I'm using the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 02. For my eyes, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, and the shades I'm going to be using is He Devil and Dirty Talk, and then for the crease I'm using Ashes. To start off with, on a angled brush, I am taking He Devil over the crease line and to the outer corner to make that wing eye effect. For my lid, I'm going to take the shade Dirty Talk. Then for my crease, I'm going to take the shade Ashes. The eyelashes I'm using today are my go-to. They are the Allure eyelashes in the shade 101. For mascara, I'm using the Benefit They're Real mascara in black. To set my makeup, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Setting Spray. On the lower lash line, I'm going to take a mixture of He Devil and Dirty Talk to bring that under the lashes to give that smoky eye effect. For lips, I'm actually using a lip gloss by Kylie Jenner. However, it acts more like a lip stain. This one's in the colour Naughty. Wow! This is my finished makeup look. Now onto the hair. For my hair, I start off with separating it into sections. Then I go ahead and use my Tresemme curling wand and separate each section of that hair. I will then do this process across the whole of my head apart from my fringe. I'm just gonna go ahead and style my fringe using my GHDs. To keep my curls in place, I'm using the Got To Be hairspray. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it and liked this style for the summer. I have to say it is one of my go-to summer looks. I just think it's so pretty. And yeah, it looks so glowy and I love it. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so you know when my next video is. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!